Kulang ka ba sa self-confidence? Like may mga bagay na pinapangarap tayo and in order to achieve those goals, kailangan may gawin tayong mga bagay na nakakatakot para sa atin. And yet, the more na iniisip-isip natin yung mga bagay na nakakatakot, the more tayong natatakot, the more na iniiwasan, the more na hindi natin ginagawa. So I've realized in order to build our confidence, it is not about thinking about those things that you fear the most, but it's about jumping into action kahit na natatakot tayo. Like yung first time mo sa isang mataas na slide, the more mo iniisip-isip kung mag-slide ka o hindi, the more mo hindi ginagawa. But if you just let go and jump into the action, napapalitan yung takot ng excitement. And after nung first try, gusto mo nang mag-slide ulit. So in short, in order to build confidence, we simply need to set aside the fear first, jump into the action, uulit-ulitin hanggang sa maging confident tayo. Confidence is built by action. Follow for more.